When it comes to working on your taxes, you're probably going to be working with a bunch of financials and different numbers, and the question we get is, how should we round these numbers? Well, the quick answer would be just, well, taking the total and rounding based on the generally accepted way of doing it when it comes to rounding to whole numbers. Pretty simple. Now, notice how I said totals, because when it comes to the individual transactions that make up those totals, it's best to just leave those alone and not round those. Again, just focusing on the total that's actually going to be transferred to whatever tax return you're going to be working on. Now, keep in mind, I'm talking about rounding to the nearest whole dollar, because the thing is, if you were to submit a bunch of expense reports totals to your tax person and it looks something, like this is going to raise some questions because here's the thing. Very rarely in reality do we have expense totals that look so pretty. It just doesn't happen. Now, obviously, there's going to be some that maybe be like $100 a month, so that's times 12. Okay, $1,200. That's pretty. But when it comes to all these different type of expenses looking so good, that usually doesn't happen. So again, make sure it's real.